Biomass is a traditionally used fuel for domestic cooking in rural India. Estimated 780 million people continue to rely on wood and other biomass for domestic cooking. A World Health Organization statistic indicates that about 25% of premature deaths due to indoor pollution globally occur in Indian rural households. Major problems caused by biomass in traditional cooking stoves are inefficient combustion and indoor pollution. Inefficient burning of traditional cook stoves results into household indoor pollution, giving rise to several heart and lung diseases in a rural household.
We at Deepak Foundation are very excited about undertaking the Mahila Kisan Sashaktikarana Pariyojana because it gives us an opportunity of working with about 6,000 women farmers in tribal area. Not only promote organic farming but also help them get into collective production and collective sales of their produce. But in the process and bringing them, building their capacities to improve their production and also engaging them into the market forces, we also increase their drudgery. So in order to ensure that their drudgery is not increased, we are developing certain model villages where we would undertake measures that helps them reduce their drudgery.
The idea of the low smoke chulas was woven into the project, looking at the drudgery that the women from the Kawat and Naswadi blocks, these poor tribal women face. They spent a lot of time in collecting the firewood and also suffered a lot from the smoke. So it was a major health hazard in that case. So we decided that let us take up these low smoke chulas and give them to the women. We started with a pilot in 2 villages, and these have been taken up as model villages. And now we see that the women are extremely happy because they have to collect only half of the firewood that they earlier collected, and also they have to suffer less from the smoke. In the entire project, we will be covering all the 6,000 women under the low smoke chulas.
So basically the idea while innovating this product was to address all the drudgeries and the problems that rural women is facing while their daily cooking. So when we were talking about this project with the authorities of the Deepak Foundation, we made a baseline survey amongst the rural women, tribal women, that what are the generally problems that they are facing while cooking. One of the significant problem was of the indoor pollution. Another problem was that very frequently they had to collect wood fuel and other biomass for the combustion as their biomass fuel, and there are many subsequent such problems. Myself being an engineer from a technical background, I had some ideas in my mind that if we work on the natural drought phenomenon, then it can be very useful in innovating this particular chula. And what happens is such a pressure cycle is created that sufficient oxygen is available for the fuel wood for its better and more efficient combustion. Due to this pressure cycle, the smoke also goes through the exhaust pipe totally into the atmosphere. the entire the combustion is covered. So we have minimized, we have tried that the heat loss minimizes as much as possible. Due to better combustion, the fire fuel wood that is required is very much less in number. The carbon emission is less, so it is much more beneficial in the terms of, if you can say, the entire overall environment. We have to ensure that whatever interventions we do, they have to be sustainable regarding the low smoke chula. That's why we went for a total RCC structure, totally reinforced cement concrete. So we have to just install them, and then rural women can use it for years and years. Just forget about any maintenance about it.
અમારે પહેલા ચૂલા હતા સાદા ત્યારે અમને ધુમાડો બહુ થાય ને લાકડા બી વધારે જાય ને વધારે સમય લાગે રસોઈ બનાવવામાં. હવે અમને સારું લાગ્યું અને ધન ચૂલા આપ્યા ને એટલે લાકડા પણ ઓછા જાય અને જમવાનું બનાવવા પણ ઓછો સમય લાગે. ખુશ છે આ ચૂલાથી અમે ખુશ છે. પણ પહેલા અમારે તો કાદાના હતા અને તે ધુમાડો તો આખા ઘરમાં ઘૂંટાતો હતો અને આંખોમાં પણ લાગે. ધુમાડામાંથી અમીને આંખે મેં ભભળવાનું તો ઓછું થયું ને અમીને તો એટલા ફાયદા થયા કે પહેલા 2 ચૂલાના લાકડા જોઈતા હતા. હવે તો 1 ચૂલાના 2 ચૂલાના તો એકમાં એટલે 2 દિવસ ચાલે. તો વાર વધારે લાગતી હતી રાંધતા. હવે થોડુંક સારું રહે.
ધુમાડો પડને આપણને નડે એમ લાકડા ઓછા જાય ને ટાઈમ બી ઓછો આપણો બે થઈ જાય ને શાક ને રોટલા એવું. બહુ ખુશ છે તે સારું. અમારે દીપક ફાઉન્ડેશનમાં જોડાયા ને ત્યારથી અમને સારું એમ આવા ચૂલા મળ્યા અને બધી ઓર્ગેનિક खेती વિશે બધી માહિતી મળી બહેનોને.
The results that we are seeing are really mind-blowing. They are tremendous, and it really reflects the hard work that the Deepak Foundation is, and as well as Team Farmridge. They have put the efforts that we have put. They are really wonderful to see, and it is reflecting in the field also. Seeing the happiness, we can feel that we are literally distributing happiness amongst the women in the form of chulas.
તમારા નકડે હે.
I was very apprehensive about providing chulas to women as a drudgery reduction measure because I was wondering that it will be very difficult to change the behavior of women to adopt something new, and we have seen that behavior change takes a lot of time. But I was pleasantly surprised after the initial run of the use of these chulas among women on a pilot basis. So I wish this project a big success. We would like to recommend that the national level, state level and the district level officials should join hands to provide marketing support to these women who are ready to sell their produce to the nearest market. Heart should be created for them and processing unit should be provided. Also, we feel that the training on processing would help women to earn their livelihood and to make the project more sustainable.